CBD isolate with terpenes. All that you need to know. As CBD-based products gain in popularity, it is a good idea to be aware of the different ways they are being used. At the moment, CBD isolate is one of the most popular and affordable options for people out there who want to get started with a CBD concentrate. As the name already suggests, CBD isolate is the purest form of CBD, which is extracted from the hemp plant, removing all other chemical compounds in the process. The reason why it is so popular is because it can be consumed by the user in a number of different ways. And not only that, there is also more control over the serving amount. It is also a great option for those who are not willing to take any risks with THC. If you wish to read more about CBD isolate, you can check out our article here. Terpenes, on the other hand, are responsible for producing distinct tastes and aromas. These are often used for numerous therapeutic reasons. Since CBD isolate is both odorless and tasteless, companies have found ways to add some flavor to it by combining it with various terpenes. This allows them to recreate the taste or smell of popular strains. Some of the more well-known flavors, such as Girl Scout cookies, have also been created this way. The entourage effect. The term entourage effect was first coined by Raphael McCollum, a scientist in 1999, who explained how all of the different ingredients present inside the hemp plant worked in sync to produce a combined effect. It is mostly associated with full-spectrum extracts. More information about McCollum and his work can be checked out here. By combining CBD isolate and terpenes, the individual effects of both can be utilized and enhanced. This can be referred to as a partial entourage effect. Depending on the type of combination, terpenes can add a calming or a more energizing tone to the isolate. Different combinations can be achieved, each with their own flavors and benefits. It all depends on the user to figure out which particular combination works best for them. For example, if you prefer the taste of citrus, it would be a better option to go with limonene. Some of the other terpenes and their effects are listed here. Limonene. As mentioned earlier, it is found in citrus fruits and can be used when you are looking for a boost to your mood and energy. Linalool. This terpene is found in lavender and is known to relieve anxiety. Myrcene. Found inside cloves, it can help you relax just like linalool. Pinene. Usually comes in two different forms, alpha and beta, which can be found in pine needles. This particular one helps you feel energetic. Caryophyllene. It has a spicy taste and scent, which is probably because it is found in pepper. Here at Bloom Hemp, we offer a number of different THC-compliant products. If you are looking to buy CBD isolate, then you can check out our offering here.